Dominic Chu, Alix, and Sheila Dharmarajan are here because it is time for the top 10. These are the only trades you need to know about today. And I'm going to start off with number 10, Monster Beverage. The beverage company replacing Sara Lee in the S&P 500. Sara Lee is spinning off its Hillshire brands, which will be added to the S&P Mid-Cap 400. Dom?
Yeah, number 9, Betty, is Bed Bath & Beyond. The shares of the retail chain fell as much as 17% yesterday after it forecast second quarter profits that were below analyst estimates. Today is the company's annual shareholders meeting, and we'll be keeping a close eye on those shares to see if anything comes out of that retail meeting with that investor confidence really on the line. Alix, off to you.
Yeah, number 8, copper. The metal hitting a 6-month low in London, though climbing higher today. That's it heading for its 7th weekly drop in the past 2 months. The bearish outlook for copper is being fueled by signs of a global slowdown. Betty?
And we are watching number 7, Carnival Cruise Lines, just coming out with their earnings. The cruise company beating earnings estimates, came in at 20 cents per share, 12 cents above estimates. Carnival also boosted its forecast, very important for the rest of the year, a sign that consumers are coming back.
Well, number 6 is Sony, Japan's biggest consumer electronics maker. Could be investing as much as $624 million to take a 10% stake in struggling camera maker Olympus. The Nikkei newspaper says a deal could be reached by the end of next month. Alix?
And number 5, Darden Restaurants. The owner of Olive Garden and Red Lobster is lower in the pre-market after reporting fourth quarter sales that missed analyst estimates. It is also seeing full-year earnings that fall short of earlier forecasts. Betty, over to you.
This weekend, you might be going to the movies and you might be watching this Disney release. It is releasing its Pixar animated film Brave today. The studio is hoping to replicate the success of its Avengers film and to start off the summer blockbuster season with a bang.
Yeah, Betty, we'll pick up on number 3 here at Citigroup. All the big banks in focus. We've been talking about the bank downgrades by Moody's all morning. Citi's credit rating was cut by 2 notches to its lowest level ever, but the stock, yes, is higher in the pre-market. Sheila, off to you.
We'll keep an eye on number 2, that is Chesapeake. After yesterday's big board moves, that stock is moving higher. New chairman Archie Dunham has some big challenges ahead to get Chesapeake back on track. He'll need to keep CEO Aubrey McClendon focused on selling as much as $7.4 billion in assets. Betty?
And guys, our number 1 stock this morning is Morgan Stanley, which was also downgraded by Moody's. It was cut by 2 ratings, but that was 1 notch less than what Moody's had warned, and that stock is reacting, as you saw, quite positively to the news. It is higher in the pre-market. Watch all of the financials as we head towards the opening bell.